guys, today I'm gonna rate this fruit, and I don't have a theorymaker.com created black fruit tea. Okay, so it says God best, okay, bad, gross. But before I click it, I need to watch video because I forgot to what it is look like, because I didn't play black fruit because it was fault to silent behavior, the error, I cannot play. It says I'm cheating or exploiting. Nah bro, I didn't do that. Only in Brookhaven. Okay, so let's rate it now, but first let me do this. Okay, okay, let me see. Hey yo, who is this nig? Bro, hurry, where's the showcase? Okay, 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 that's all. Okay, let's go back. Rocket is good, but for grinding, bad. You're bad, you noob. Okay, but it's not the worst book. What's next? Spin. Okay, spin Sukis. Sukis. Spin Sukis. That's the I don't need this code. Bro, spin sucks. What kinda do that? Wait, what kinda fruit is that? It's the worst fruit in the game. Hiccupy bomb. Okay, let's see. Choppy. Chop.
Showcasing every fruit in the game from Kilo to Leopard, and this is Chop. Alright, so the first one is the Z move, which is Tackle.
Okay, it's
And
best
then we
for
have the
bounty
X move,
hunting,
which is Dance.
but if you're using combat,
Next of all, we have the C move,
fighting
which is
style,
Party.
you're dead if you use chop.
And then the last one.
Okay, look like a spin. Chop is very bad, but not the worst. So I give it bad. Now let's go to the what name? Spring. Okay, let's see. Spring Sukis. Sukis. Not you. Bro, not sun. I said spring, not sun, bro. It. What a cool edit, but it's not too good. I do not like it. Spring sucks. But I know the bomb, so I got that with my mommy calling me. sorry for Kwan. I got sugo like that. Like a job. So Bam is the most best fruit. So I'm gonna pick it at the best, and I'm gonna be back. Back. Okay, I'm back, and it was a big. I don't know what to say, but give me the showcase, bro. Nah, One Piece is in rare. Real. Oh, big damage. Suck it. So suck. You're the worst fruit ever. But I'm gonna change for Rocket. You're the extra worst fruit. Let's see. What's next? Ah, Spike. Wait. Spike Showcase. Spike Showcase. Give me the showcase, bro. Bro, you're ugly. You ugly skin. My skin is better. Bacon teams. Who agree with Bacon? Bro, that's look like a head job. Spike suck it, but extra suck. And you're. Wait, no. I'm not gonna do that because it's so new guy. And flame is good for guiding, and purse is the purse. Wait, is the purse. Wait, this is the purse. Awakening can be awakened. So flame is bad. Now Falcon extra bad. Ice my heated fruit, but also good for guiding. So it's going to okay. Now Sun. This is how I lost my T-Rex. So you're the worst fruit in the game. You suck, Sun. And Dark. I don't want to be Nig. Nah, I don't. I'm gonna put it there. And Diamond. It's good, but there's nothing to do with. And Light. My purse. Grinding fruit, so it's in the best fruit. Rubber, my dream fruit of the past. Now I change, and it's the worst fruit, but I'm gonna change it. You're the worst fruit. Barrier, okay. Ghost, also my favorite fruit, but I quit and turn it to bad. Magma, the goodies. Grinding, so is in the best. Now Quake, suck it. Now Buddha, my best fruit. This is my favorite fruit, not T-Rex. Love fruit, Rose, you suck. Spider, I used this and it was bad. Sound fruit, wait, not good. Soundproof, ew. Phoenix, ew. Portal. Wait, let me. Your best fruit, but for PvP, not for grinding. So, okay, and Rumble. You're good for PvP, bounty hunting. You're going to okay. Pain sucks. Blizzard, my first legendary fruit. He's still going to okay. Gravity sucks. Mammoth still going to bad. Mammoth bad. T-Rex is good, but the problem is it's too bad for grinding. So you're in the bad. Though suck it. Shadow, bruh. Shadow, I haven't test the shadow. So let's watch the video. Shadow is so kiss. Why I'm not so bro, you again? Okay, let's see. Okay, basic nightmare lich blood. Did you part? Okay, he did part, but I haven't tried that, so it's going to the best because it's good. Venom, big damage, very big damage. I like this, but I haven't tried this, but my friend had this at the past, so I'm gonna give it to God. Now control, suck it. Wait, no, you suck. Okay, now spirit, bro, not to suck. Going to the okay. I used this at the past and I didn't know it was control. I thought this is Phoenix. Now dragon. Where's the dragon rework, bro? RIP Inda and RIP Z-Wheels. Where's the dragon fruit? Dragon fruit rework. I'm gonna do this because it's gonna rework soon. But not yet. Leopard, my dream fruit at the bus, but I quit. Leopard is in the bad. Kitsune, some people say this is the best fruit, but what about me? This is not the best fruit. You're going to the okay. Now this is the best fruit I choose. It's so cool, but there's something wrong. Why the okay tier? There's so many blue here. Ice blue, portal blue, rumble blue, blizzard blue, spirit blue, red. There's red, but so many blue. Oh my god. So that's it for today. It's so cool. It's so cool and I really like it. Peace.